That's 100.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is currently, I thought I had the time on my camera. It's like 8:40 something. Get some work done, and I'm sitting at this little table. And I'm about to eat my food. So we eating breakfast and we doing work. So period. Alright, so it's my little setup or whatever. That's awful good though. I like blueberry better. This home style good. But blueberry.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hey y'all, so it is a few days later and I am at work. I just got here. It's currently 7:43 in the morning, and as y'all see, I took my hair out and everything. I ate some oatmeal this morning, and I'm just drinking this, which I need to drink water, but I have water, so yeah, juice and water. But anywho, y'all see my hair? I just did something, you know, not too much, just a little quick little bun or whatever the case is. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up for my client. My client not till 9 o'clock though, so really and truly I have an hour to like sleep. So that's what I think I'm about to do. This is my trying to show y'all. This is what I got today. It don't look like a lot, but it is. It's like 4. So boom. So yeah, my first client is at 9, and she's getting a short set with a soak off. So she's soaking off her oil nails to get a short set. Next client is getting a French tip on her toes, which is at 12. 2 o'clock is a 2-week fill plus nail art. And 5 o'clock is a freestyle long. So, and go follow me on Instagram at @idealbeauty_bar, so y'all can see all the pics on my Instagram, and my TikTok is idealbeauty_bar1. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I'm about to go ahead and clean up my phone, and clean up my camera, and then y'all see the process. So catch y'all at, I don't know, almost 12 maybe, I don't know, later on.
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord.
Alright y'all, so it's currently about to start client number 2. So I'm gonna catch y'all afterwards.
I'm Act so hard, I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Hey y'all, I know I didn't do my edges, so not too much on my edges, but it is currently 9:45 and I'm about to go get my floors done and my sweeps. So yeah, that's what I'm on the way to right now. Yeah, I'm hungry, but my stomach is turning at the same time. Just catch y'all when I get in my suite. I'm gonna show y'all like the before and the after I get it clean and stuff like that. And that's about it. Maybe I'll have more like energy like later on, because right now I'm just tired. So don't mind me. I'm just sleepy. And yeah. Hey y'all, so this is how my room looks. Y'all already know. So this is my floors. I don't know if y'all can see, but I got this mat. And I took the map out, but I got like a foot mark there. It's just overall great. And this part is the clean part, this part's the dirty part. But this part I had it covered with my mat, and then you guys see the rest. So it just looks a mess. So that's why I'm about to get it clean. And yeah, it's 10:14, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my floors clean, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when it's done. Whatever. Hey y'all, so today is Sunday the 30th. It's 8:40 right now, and I'm finishing up my exams currently. I did my first exam yesterday, which I got a 83 on, so I ended the class with a 90. So yeah, happy about that. But what I'm doing now is math, and I don't know why, I just feel like low-key like overwhelmed with a lot of things, and I just wanted to be done with it. Like, I just don't even care about it no more for real. I just want to be done. So I don't know, I'm gonna catch y'all after my exam, and yeah. Hey y'all, so I just got my suite and I'm about to put everything back where it was. So as y'all know, I got my floors done, which they look spotless, very much clean, and I love how they look. So I got a client at 12. It's currently 11:20 something, so I need to hurry up. But I'm about to go ahead and hurry up and put my mat down on the floor and then move my things.
This day that God has given me, I'm not for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Yeah, I just wanted to show you my foot. So, make some liquid, rose spotless cream. And y'all already know what tomorrow is. So yeah, that is really it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this weekly vlog. Try to be productive the best way I could and record what I do in a week. Basically, I am about to go ahead and start setting up, continue setting up for my clients. Try to wake up a little bit because I'm sleepy. But yeah, let me see how my hair looks. Can you see? I think that's hard, right? I think that's really hard. It's it, and that's all I have to say. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you share this video with your brothers, sisters, cousins, auntie, everybody. Follow me on all my social medias. Follow me on Instagram as well. @sincerely.girl and @beauty_bar. TikTok @beauty_bar1. That's funny. So yeah, y'all. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure you comment and let me know what you want to see from me. And I'm gonna see y'all next time.